Hello everyone, welcome back to B10X channel. Today we are going to see one more AI tool, that is GitHub Copilot. In this GitHub Copilot, we are going to see how we can check a number whether it is prime number or not, or to check whether it is odd or even, and to find like factorials and other basic mathematical operations. Okay, mainly it is served for software engineers. Okay, so earlier we have seen GitHub Copilot chat. Okay, so GitHub Copilot chat is different and GitHub Copilot is different. So today we'll be looking into GitHub Copilot. Okay, we will perform, as I said, there will be 3 examples for basic understanding. Okay, so
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
let's go into our coding. Okay, so this is our VS Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code. So earlier in Visual Studio Code, and with the help of GitHub Copilot chat, there will be a chatting icon. Okay, but here it's not like that. Since it is a GitHub Copilot, there won't be any chat icon. So how we can do? Okay, so I want to perform a basic operation, like I want to find the factorial of a number, okay, from the user. Okay, so for that, first we should use double slash. Okay, so that is the way it will identify. And since it is a Python program, I'm storing this file name as .py. Okay, and Python code to find the, see, like a factorial, like you can see the small prompt coming over there, right? You can change anything. I'm like a factor with a CTO factorial of a number from number by accepting input from the user. Okay, from, because I should provide the number and it should use from the user, and you should give tab, guys. Okay, tab means it will, that it shows that it has been completed. Okay, sometimes this prompt will give different. Once again I'm putting, okay, find the, just hold on. Just hold on. It does a little, there will be little changes. I'm just deleting once again. Or a L factorial of a number by accepting user input. Okay, if I put tab means it will go. Then we should press enter. Okay, wait for 2 minutes, guys. Okay, so and then you should give again tab. Okay, so now it will ask. Okay, and yeah, and else you should keep pressing the tab and you should keep pressing the enter. Okay, okay, so it is done. So since, okay, we need to comment it. Okay, because I have given the instruction double slash that shows that this is a Python code or this is the instruction. Okay, so I will comment it, and similarly I need to comment the remove the, I need to remove these comments also. Okay, because when it's giving the prompt, it has a given like this. So for working purpose you can remove, because all the alignment it will take care. Okay, whereas in GitHub Copilot chat, automatically it will give, when we give the chatting instruction, it will give the code over here. Okay, so this is the way. Now let's see. Okay, because uh, now let's run. Okay, so this is the to find the factorial of a number, this is the program. Okay, so sometimes it will be very difficult, okay, to find. So the factorial of a number, we may use many loops, but this GitHub Copilot is giving us the code. So I am running. Let's see. 1 minute. Okay, run without debugging. Let's see. Okay, expectation indent error. Okay, it is giving line number 5, 3, 4, 5. Enter a number, right? Okay. Because sometimes it will give little like this type of, because since it is looking into every code, it may give little. I will execute once again. Let's see. Yeah, now it has come. Okay. So I enter a number, I'm giving 5. Okay. So correct. Okay. The factorial of a number is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 120. Okay. So that is the way this GitHub Copilot works. Whereas in GitHub Copilot chat, you may be aware, right, that there will be a chatting box in the left hand side, and if I copy the code on the right hand side, everything will be done. But whereas here the functions are different. Okay. So in order to avoid this, since it has given little hiccups, we will give one more code. Okay. Because when I was working earlier, this hash symbol it didn't give. Okay. So because sometimes we cannot give the 100% efficiency of the code, right? Sometimes we may need to fine tune it. Okay. We may need to do the prompt properly. Okay. So now let me, since we have worked for the factorial. Okay. And before I will be doing 2 more problems, but before that, one important update, guys. Okay. So like, as you all aware that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession rate. Okay. So, well, AI won't replace, but the person using AI may replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay. So you may wonder, okay, how to do this installation of GitHub Copilot or GitHub Copilot Chat. So all the installation steps of GitHub Copilot with Visual Studio and other AI tools will be explained detail in our program. Okay. So make sure that you secure with us and join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, guys. Now let's see one more example. Okay. I'll put Python. Go to check whether, okay, whether here, whether the number is prime or not by accepting the number from the user. Okay. I'm giving tab, it will come out here. Okay. So okay, same, it is giving with hash. And just you need to give the tab. If you give the tab, it will go to the end. Okay. And then press enter. Okay. Again, it will prompt. Okay. So again. So that is the thing. So similarly, now we need to remove this part. Yeah, it is giving, see, bad indentation. I right click and gave the right command. So now I'm giving, so see, this is the advantage case. Okay. I am once again, I'm doing, okay. Now we have got this hash symbol, right? So that means hash symbol means it is a comment in Python. Okay. We are not supposed to use it. Okay. So now what I'm doing, instead of earlier time, I removed the hash symbol from my own. But now what I'm doing, I'm taking this code. Okay. And I'm right clicking it. There is a Copilot. Okay. Fix this. Okay. There is a part called fix this. Okay. If I give the fix this, see it is giving found 5 spaces expected. Okay, wait. Yeah. So this is the old code and this is the new code. Okay, I am accepting it. Okay. See, now the indentation has been removed. I meant the indentation has been fixed properly. Okay. So that is the beauty of this GitHub Copilot. Okay. Now if we work, it will work. Okay. Now if I'm going to run it. Okay. So I'm making CLS to clear the screen. Okay. And this is to check whether a number is prime or not. Okay. And I'm giving start without debugging. Yeah, enter a number. Okay. I am making 10. 10 is not a prime number, correct case. Okay. Again, I am making like enter a number. Okay. It is asking, right? I am giving 2. Oh, no. I will give 5. Okay. Oh, it took the factorial number also. Okay. Leave it. Anyway, I didn't notice this. Okay. We need to check only this part, right? Okay. So that's what we should check also. Okay, after the GitHub Copilot or whichever AI tool it has given the code, we need to check it, recheck it. Okay, so enter the number. I'm giving 5. 5 is a prime number. Good, very good. So now I am running again. Okay, now I'm giving 8. 8 is not a prime number. Okay, so now we have found this thing. Okay, now let's look into the, now already seen the factorial. Now we have seen the prime number. And now what we can see, like we can do for whether the given number is odd or even. Okay, Python code like this. Python code to find whether the user provided number is odd or even. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, now it is not giving the that hash symbol. Okay, this one. So number input the user. So see, you can, if you use the arrow keys, right? Just hold on. Okay, just you can use the tab. Okay, if number divided by 2 and yeah, tab, enter, and else. See, automatically the indentation is arranged. Okay, because sometimes if you're doing manually, the else has to be correctly placed in the if part. Okay, that's it. Okay, so if it comes over here, that's the end. So we can ignore it. Okay, so what I can say, you can work it with the help of function, right? Now it has asked simple, right? It accepted the number from me, and with by divided with the help of the number, and by the based on the modulus operation, percentage modulus operation, it found whether it is prime, whether it is odd or even. Okay, you can do with a function also. Okay, you can make such that with the help of the function it has to be executed. Okay, so that you can try. Okay. So run without debugging. Okay, enter a number. I'm making again 5. The given number is odd. Okay, and again the given number is even. Okay, so this is the beauty of the GitHub Copilot, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, and click the link in the below description. See you again. Bye bye. Take care.